Looking to upgrade the stereo in your 1989 to 96 Jeep Eagle without the headache of rewiring? Imagine plugging in a harness that fits perfectly with your factory setup, letting you install a modern aftermarket radio without cutting or splicing a single wire. That's exactly what this OEM-style wiring harness offers: easy, clean, and reliable. I've been there. Cutting into a factory wiring harness can turn a straightforward upgrade into a frustrating, time-consuming mess. But this harness plugs directly into your car's existing radio harness, powering 4 speakers and supporting all the features you need, including front speakers and sound bars. It's designed specifically for Jeep Eagles from 1989 to 1996, making it a seamless fit that respects your vehicle's original wiring integrity. One of the best parts? Every wire is clearly labeled, so you know exactly what goes where. During installation, the only wire that might cause a question is the one for a power antenna, which many don't use anyway. The entire process took less than an hour to install a new head unit in a Jeep Wrangler, saving time and avoiding guesswork. No cutting, no rewiring chaos, just straightforward plug-and-play convenience. If you're ready to modernize your Jeep's sound system, whether you're adding an amp, subwoofer, or just upgrading the head unit, this wiring harness is worth a look. It keeps your factory wiring intact, protects your vehicle's electrical system, and makes your upgrade clean and professional. Try it when you're ready to make your Jeep's stereo upgrade simple and stress-free. With this harness, you get what matters: a perfect fit, easy installation, and a reliable connection that lets you enjoy your music without the wiring headaches.